Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be using the LA Girl Nudes palette for my eyeshadow look, and I'm just going to go into that brown color and apply it right above my crease. And I'm just going to be using a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to apply it on my lid with a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. That's going to help the color that I'm going to apply next to pop. Now I'm just going to do the same thing for the other side. Take your time with this. And I usually go up about to where my eye opens, up to where it creases when I open my eyes, because it will help to define the color. Now I'm going in with this other very light sparkly color, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my lid, especially where I put the concealer previously. And now I'm gonna do it to the other side also. And I'm just gonna continue to pack that color on. Now I'm going to go in to this darker sparkly color, and I'm gonna start to apply it towards the end and slowly adding it around the entire eye. Now I'm just gonna go in and do that to the other side, applying it everywhere that concealer was applied in order to blend those two colors in well. I did go off camera and apply liner and lashes. All the details will be in the description box. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm going to use this beauty blender to apply the foundation all over my face. Now I'm just going to blend this foundation out with my beauty blender. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to apply some right under my eyes to cover up any dark circles. And I'm going to do that to the other side also. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend it out. Now I'm going to use my Airspun setting powder, and I'm going to apply it with a triangle sponge right under my eyes, and I'm going to allow that to sit for a few minutes. Now I'm going to remove the excess with a fluffy brush. I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics contouring kit, and I'm just going to apply that light brown color right in the middle of my cheek, and I'm going to do the same on the other side, also on my forehead, in order to give my face some color. Now I'm just going to continue to blend this out. For a highlighter, I'm going to use my AOA highlighter, and I'm just going to use a flat, fluffy brush to apply that right above my contour. Also on my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. Now I'm going to apply this LA Colors blush on the apple of my cheeks. And I'm just going to blend that out with a square white sponge. For lipstick, I'm going to use this Stila Lippy. It's a very nice nude color. Now I'm going to apply this matte finishing spray from NYX, and this is my final look. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.